Welcome to another video and episode on my driving robot discovery. Made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller, which runs embedded Linux and programmed, in my case, in Python. Equipped with USB camera, sonar, ultrasonic device to measure distance, or in this case you can measure distance, then two touch sensors, an LED to indicate either distance or a turn of the robot, and a motor with propeller to indicate if the algorithm is still running. In this case also a battery pack which is fully charged, or should be fully charged by now. And well, this brings me to to the focus of this time, which is a twofold. First, getting network working. It was already working with the controller in DHCP server mode. Trying to get it done, but the battery was not cooperating. I replaced the battery, and I'm not talking about this one, I'm talking about the setup battery inside the controller, 3 volts. And when I replaced it, imagine my surprise when I measured the old one, 3 volts. So it wasn't depleted at all, but which gives the question, why doesn't it work? So if this one is also not working, something is wrong with the controller somehow. Anyway, let's focus, including testing its course towards the objects, trying to copy Python to the default firmware, and starting again with Blender, but this time with the right measurements. So let's see how this works out. Alright, screencast part. So terminal to log in here as well. This is usually where I show the source code, here where I run the algorithm. Needless to say, the robot with ready to insert is the adapter, AC adapter if the battery gets low, RoboPro to test anything, then Blender, which is now empty because I somehow lost the model, but it was not in correct size, so maybe better. And this is the wiring. Let's fire up and see whatever happens. So fully connecting now the battery pack, and go and see whatever comes of it. And in this case, let's feel, okay, it boots into the default firmware. No, it's into the community firmware. So I will put the date in it, and then the question is, will it retain it? Okay, and I can only do things when I'm in this screen. So now let's go. And I'm in here. Same thing here. And changing the date, which is by now 29. Date time is 19 39. So alright, so I have changed the date now, so let's check if this will work out. And I have to use this one, the other. Can I make contact? No. Oh, come on, what am I doing? Okay. I have contact. That is very good. Let's slow down. So, yeah. Okay, thank you. That will do. Then this works out. And that works out, which is very good. Then 7 is okay, 9.2 volts, very good. So now I'm going to put into the other one. Leave this one, exit here, and exit here, and see whatever I can do, or whatever is retained. Alright, boot it into the community, into the default firmware. You can see here that the camera is working. So let's check for settings. Network, wireless, which for some weird reason again gives the wrong IP address. So I have to shut it down, and then immediately, oh, that's a strange thing, because why does it work? Why does the tablet and the cam work with the wrong IP address? That's a very strange thing. So let me check again. Do I have connection? No, I don't. Stop. Do I have... Yeah, it's lost connection. Connect. Connection again. Camera. Start. And a flash. I don't know if the camera frame rate is alright, but display flashed. Now I have visual again. Information. I don't care about that. Not that much anyway. Network, wireless, wireless mode. And now the point is, what do I want? I want wireless client setup. It says DHCP, I want static. And now I need to set all my data in here. So this is alright. And yes, this is one of the legs of the tripod the camera is on. So I'm going to put all the data in here, and hopefully that works out. Alright, so I have set the static client for its IP address. I had to reboot. So let's see whatever has gone to it. Mode, okay. And now it has retained everything that is needed. Do I can I make contact now? I should. The big problem is it won't be FTC, it will now probably be a RoboPro. No port to host. That is not nice. Okay. Root then. No root to host probably. No. Okay. I'll have to find out how this works out. One thing is quite certain. I most likely won't be able to make contact using the TXT, the camera. It does not see the camera. It does not see the controller anyway. So that is a point. Looking here as well, disconnected. That is a very good point. How do I name it? Do I name it anyhow? Yes, I should name it. Let me try to find it. Alright, so now I have created on this whole network with a new SSID, and it should be scanned. It's a client with the network, so that is all alright. The only problem is, oh wait, host is unreachable. I can't ping it. Can I see something here? No, because these are all DHCP hosts or network hosts, and I can't. I have given it the name VM discovery and it won't find it. I also cannot connect to it. So although these are very nice ideas, it doesn't work. I can log in, but I need to have it under DHCP. So let's go back. I still need to find out how this works, but we'll see later. Alright, so now I'm back in DHCP host mode of the wireless, and as you can see I have contact. I have still 8.6 volts on the battery pack, so that's alright. Now to make contact, that should not be this one, neither this one. It should be RoboPro at 192.168.8.2, and it says refused. So it says for USB and this one for wireless. So and this one is there, so this should be working. The only thing is port 22 is connection refused. This works again, and whatever is happening is happening. Not quite sure. Alright, now well, the battery, the setup battery is clearly working now. It is time to do something with Blender finally. So let's go there for the last few moments. Alright, so how to start this? Well, like I did in the past, select the block, but in this time or in this case, what are the measurements? Those measurements are 2 centimeters or something like that. So I'm looking at this one or this one, doesn't really matter, but it needs to be 1 centimeter like this and some 2 centimeters like this. And now measurement. And why isn't this working? This is in meters. So I really have to resize this. Alright, with this it proves to be a challenge because now I have resized and with the menu it works much better. So select all and then mesh, transform and scale. So resize isn't an option, but this height is now 800, so 0.08 meters, which is now actually 8 centimeter, not even 1. So I need to zoom in, like I've done a couple of times, and then once again select all, mesh, transform, scale, and then how much is this time? Delete. Okay. Okay, this is better. So now, how much is this time? Comes closer. This is 2 centimeters. So I need to really get down in size to get the 2 centimeters in length and 1 centimeter in height. So this should be 1 centimeter and this should be 2 centimeters approximately to get it. And that once I have the one block, I can build it all. And that's it. Takes some time. And let's keep it to this for this time. And that's it for now. So experiments with the wireless network don't give a conclusion yet. Blender Start Over gives some difficulty with real size. And I thought to say goodbye with a new thingy. If you look at the tablet, you see that it is repeating itself. So the objects are multiplied. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and you may like to hit the bell so you get notified whenever a new video from me is released. Please give comments or suggestions how I can improve things. Much appreciated. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. And please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also become a patron. More information either under this video or in the next segment. Going to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.